Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies, your hub for DIY automotive help. Codes, brakes, finding component locations when you figure out what is wrong with your car. Check out the video library. I have a ton of videos on a ton of different cars. But today, this is the BlueDriver scan tool. I picked this up off of Amazon. There'll be a link in the description below to purchase one of these, and I will be doing a giveaway on one of these coming up very soon. So check out the video library or for links in the description or in the comments, whatever you like. But this right here, the BlueDriver OBD2 scan tool. This thing plugs right into the OBD2 port of your vehicle, and then you pair this to your car, and you could use this for a ton of information, and not just OBD2 check engine light codes, but also for ABS, which is really what sold me on this thing. A lot of scan tools out there are only for the check engine light, but this one does both. Even though it wasn't really big or noticeable on the Amazon listing, it did read the ABS too. What really helped me out today was being able to watch the live data on there. When I was on the freeway, I was replacing parts as I went, just checking to see stuff because I had a vacuum leak. I couldn't exactly figure out where it was at. Ended up replacing all the vacuum lines one at a time, and that seemed to be the problem, and actually was the problem for sure. So live data, you could watch it using this scan tool. You could clear codes using this scan tool. If you're trying to get the monitors set to be able to pass a smog inspection, you could check the monitors on here. It runs a little smog check test, just the monitor test using this. There's a ton of things you could do with this. It's super helpful and a really good bang for your buck. When you plug this into the OBD2 port, a little blue light comes on right here, then pair it to your phone via Bluetooth, and then connect the phone or the app to this actual scan tool, and it'll work just fine. In this little card, when you get it, it tells you what app you need to download. I think it does. Please download the BlueDriver app. And this works for Androids and Apple phones, both phones. So this right here, again, BlueDriver scan tool, super useful, super cheap, good bang for your buck. Look for a link in the description below. I'll be posting more videos using this, doing diagnostics, but check it out. I'll see you guys in the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.